There's a massive protest call has been given by the Punjab University student as an issue going on Senate and syndicate, and there's an interference of union government and BJP party. That is the allegation by the student, and there are changes that been made in Senate and syndicate functioning, though the notification is being withdrawn by the higher education union of government by the union government, but still there's no election announced, and there are several demands by the students on which the massive call for the protest has been given for today. And this is sector 15, one side the university and other side the residential area where the students have been marching towards the university's gate number 1. And there's a demand that though the notification is being withdrawn, but when the election will be held and what are the other demands when they will be addressed. So that is the main demand by the students on which many MLAs in Punjab, MPs, former CM, many singers, actors have visited the university and have shown the solidarity with the university students. And for today, Punjab University Bachao Morcha, this call has been given by the student. We are in Punjab University where the massive protest is taking place. You can see through the visuals that student leaders, farmer leaders, actors, singers, they have contributed in this protest, and they have been part of this protest as a solidarity with the students. We have Ishwarpreet Singh, who's a youth Congress leader and been part of a student politics. Ishwar, how you see the protest and why there's a demand for the announcement of the election of Senate and syndicate?
Sir, this is a protest between democracy and dictatorship. Students need democracy, sir. We need to protect our Samvidhan, on which this whole constitution was made, on which this whole India was made. So, I don't know why center is trying to take our university from us. This land belongs to Punjab, sir. 2 villages that were people of villages gave university to them. This university was first in Lahore, then it came to Hoshiarpur, then it came to Punjab, sir. Chandigarh, that is also part of Punjab. So we are telling them that this university has its own rule and regulation. You cannot give anything from center and we can agree upon that. So it is our fight to save our dreams that small home students come here that don't have money and they became advocates, they became SSPs, they became the High Court judges, sir. Only in 4,500 or 5,000, sir.
So what is the demand? That election should be announced, or there are other demands as well?
There is only one demand, sir. That the center gave us election dates, sir. Senate election dates. If Senate is demolished, sir, student council elections would be also demolished.
But that notification is being withdrawn. That's what BJP has to say.
No, sir. BJP doesn't have to say anything, sir. They only have to give a date. We don't care about notification, sir. We have seen in farm protests. We only want a date. On that date, everybody, if they give us date right now, sir, we will go home. Because this institute, it is not for protest or anything like that. This is where it is our mandir, Gurdwara, where we get teachings. And seeing this is because of center, sir.
And what if the dates are not announced for the Senate and syndicate elections?
Also, BJP know our history, sir.
So the protest will go.
Sir, what else we can do, sir? You tell me, what else we can do? We give, it is our house, sir.
So you think our rights of the students are been withheld or been dissolved through Senate and syndicate?
Exactly, sir, exactly. There were 91 syndicate members, sir. They were the members that gave university instructions. Vice Chancellor had to take decisions of them, sir. And then they have to make a decision. But now, what they have done, they have decreased it to 31, sir. And that too, Vice Chancellor will appoint them. So how it is democracy, sir? This is dictatorship, na, sir. So we are talking about saving a democracy, and then we are trying to crush it from the police, sir. Our hand doesn't have any weapons or something like that, but police is trying to. Sir, I am a lawyer, sir. But they are treating us like that we are a terrorist and we are in Punjab, that they only go for dharna and pradarshan. You give us date, sir. we'll go home right now.
Gate number 1 was, the lock was broken out by the protesters.
So sir, what are you expecting from us, sir? It is our house, sir.
Protest can be peaceful.
No, sir, protest can be peaceful, sir. But police has to make it peaceful, sir. It was a call that a peaceful protest has to be done and children have to go to university, sir.
Here at the same spot.
Same spot. Police stopped them, sir. So what if, sir, if our house gets robbed, so we have to do anything, na, sir. We cannot give our keys to the robbers that you all right, go on. Sir, it is our ancestors' land.
Who all are being part of this?
Everybody, sir, everybody.
Every party.
But except RSS and BJP. Because they were not involved in 1947. One RSS member, you name me, that have given Shahidi in that. Nobody. So history repeats itself, sir. 2025, nobody is here, sir. RSS and BJP are protesting and saying that this is all right, sir.
But university's president is, I guess, from ABVP.
Sir, what ABVP and RSS, sir? If the university president has something in his heart, I request him, sir, go to Delhi and ask for them and tell them what is Punjab is an emotion, sir. You cannot crush our emotion, sir. It is not a state, sir. Our teachings come from gurus, sir. So I request ABVP president to go and talk with BJP so that if this continues, sir, they will not give us date. So, padhai
Study will also be impacted.
very much affected, sir. So we don't want to affect our padhai, sir. We want to study. So I request BJP to give us date, sir. Thank you, sir.
Talking for the issues that are here, and you see the protest still going, and this is the VC office at the right hand side, and students, former students that were part here, they've been standing here, they've been protesting, and there are demands that should be resolved, and one of the major demand is that elections should be announced, Senate and syndicate elections to be held, and notification that also been withdrawn. There should be clarity by the university on the issue. With video journalist Girish, this is Aman Bhardwaj for India Today, Chandigarh.